Alright guys, it's been a long day and I know you're waiting to hear who won the Post Tenebras Love raffle number 2. And this is a raffle for this beautiful Cherry Hill Bibles rebind of the MacArthur Preacher's Bible from Steadfast. This Bible was donated by the great people at Steadfast Bibles and rebound by Dave Delfino at Cherry Hill Bibles. So please, big thanks to them. It wouldn't happen without them. And thanks to all you guys who donated. The support for the Rice family means so much, and I'm so thankful that I can be a part of it. So without further ado, the winner of this beautiful Bible, now reminder, I used an Excel spreadsheet, put all the entries in. If you donated $1, you get a square on an Excel spreadsheet per dollar that you gave. In a separate column, I used an index function with a rand between attachment, and that gives me the random selection. So the winner is M.E. Ward. Congratulations, I'm excited for you. This is an amazing Bible. You are going to be so excited to get this Bible. I'll be excited to get it to you. Shoot me an email and let me know all of your shipment information. Again, thanks to everyone who participated in this raffle. Stay tuned for raffle number 3. That video will be coming out in just a little bit, but I can give you a little sneak peek. She pretty. Everyone have a good night. Take care and God bless.